Whether you're building furniture, fixing the fence, or tackling a weekend DIY project, a reliable cordless drill can make all the difference. With so many choices on the market, it can be overwhelming to pick the perfect tool that offers power, durability, and great value. That's why we've rounded up the top 5 best cordless drills available today. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check them out and find the one that fits your needs best. Let's get started. Number 5. DEKOPRO 20V Cordless Drill Set. For the ultimate low-cost option that does not skimp on functionality, the DEKOPRO 20V Cordless Drill Set is a hidden gem. Designed with home improvement and beginner-level users in mind, this drill provides 2 variable speed settings, 0 to 350 and 0 to 1,350 revolutions per minute, along with 18+1 torque settings for precise control across multiple tasks. Despite its lightweight design of only 2.5 pounds, the drill houses a durable motor powered by a 1.5 ampere-hour lithium-ion battery. This combination ensures adequate runtime and solid performance for drilling into wood, plastic, or light metals. The kit includes a wide selection of accessories: 10 bits, 6 brad point wood drill bits, 4 nut drivers, 10 screwdriver heads, and a magnetic bit holder, all packed into a single, well-organized case. The compact size and soft grip handle make it comfortable for extended use, especially in tight corners or overhead projects. Number 4. Craftsman V20 Cordless Drill or Driver Kit. For a straightforward, reliable drill with great build quality, the Craftsman V20 Cordless Drill/Driver Kit stands tall. This compact drill is designed with a high-performance motor that generates 280 unit watts out, allowing it to handle most drilling and fastening applications with ease. It features a 2-speed gearbox with a low setting of 0 to 350 and a high setting up to 1,500 revolutions per minute. The 1/2-inch keyless chuck enables quick and secure bit changes, while the integrated LED light improves visibility in darker areas. Number 3. COMOWARE 20V Cordless Drill. If affordability and versatility top your list, the COMOWARE 20V Cordless Drill is a budget-friendly option that still packs a punch. It features a 20-volt lithium-ion battery, providing adequate power for common home improvement and DIY tasks. This drill comes equipped with a 2-speed gearbox, ranging from 0 to 350 and 0 to 1,300 revolutions per minute. Whether you're driving screws or drilling holes, the adjustable clutch with 25+1 settings allows for greater precision and control. With a maximum torque of 266 inch-pounds, it is suitable for light to medium-duty tasks. The 3/8-inch keyless metal chuck supports a wide variety of bits and allows for quick, tool-free changes. The drill also includes an LED work light that enhances visibility in dark or tight spaces, and a forward/reverse switch makes bit changes and screw removal simple and efficient. Number 2. Craftsman V20 Max Cordless Drill. For those looking for dependable performance at an excellent value, the Craftsman V20 Max Cordless Drill and Impact Driver Combo Kit is a smart investment. The kit includes the CMCD 700 drill and the CMCF 800 impact driver, both designed to handle a variety of tough tasks with ease. The drill driver is powered by a robust motor that delivers 280 unit watts out and features a 2-speed gearbox ranging from 0 to 350 and 0 to 1,500 revolutions per minute. This gives you flexibility when switching between precision work and power-intensive tasks. Number 1. DeWalt 20V Max Cordless Drill. If you're searching for power, performance, and a name trusted by professionals, the DeWalt 20V Max Cordless Drill and Impact Driver Combo Kit is a top-tier choice. This combo includes 2 standout tools, the DCD 771 drill driver and the DCF 885 impact driver. The DCD 771 features a 2-speed transmission with ranges of 0 to 450 and 0 to 1,500 revolutions per minute, giving you precise control for drilling and fastening tasks. Its high-performance motor delivers up to 300 unit watts out, enabling it to tackle a wide variety of materials and applications. From professional-grade performance to unbeatable value, these cordless drills cover every need and budget. Be sure to check out the links in the description to grab the best deals on your favorite model.